Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we will see a small topic, that is hemming operation. What is hemming operation, how it will do, and what is its how it is used in door panels. Okay, those things we will see in this video. Hemming is a foaming operation in which the edges of the sheet are folded over another part in order to achieve a tight fit. Normally, hemming operation are used to connect parts together to improve the appearance of the part and to reinforce part edges. Okay, hemming is like to join the two sheet metals. We use hemming operation, or to reinforce the edges. Then also we'll use hemming operation. Okay, it's mainly classified or divided into four four types according to its flange shape. Here I'm showing I will show here. See, this is one flatted hem, open hem, and teardrop hem, and rope hem. In this video we will see about open hem. Okay, open hem is done is created by roll foaming. We'll see about roll foaming. Roll hemming means one roller is required when joining the sheet metal hemming process. A roller is required, and two sheet metal parts placed one upon the other, and hemming with rollers. The roll hemming is carried out incrementally with a hemming roller. An industrial robot guides the hemming roller and forms the flange. Roll hemming operation can also divided into several pre-hemming and final hemming process steps. Okay, roll hemming is very flexible to use, and tool costs are significantly lower as compared to those of conventional die hemming. However, the cycle times are much higher since the hemming is realized using a hemming roller which follows a defined path. Okay, let's see how this roll hemming works. We'll see. See, this is my first sheet. This is outer sheet. Consider this as outer sheet metal, and this is my inner sheet metal, and join together with the process of hemming with a roller. This roller will move along this flange so that this overlaps overlaps with internal sheet. Okay, let's see how it looks. If it overlaps this hemming process over here, and my sheet metal is here, another sheet metal is here. Let's coming to our topic, door panel. See, up to here I finished in first video. This is the Tata Ace door panel. Up to here I finished my first video. Okay, this has a sharp edge. Up to here I finished in first video. Now we will see about hemming operation in second video, in this video. Okay, 2.8 mm offset. I have given 2.8 mm. Okay. Here I will give parallel curve with 10 mm. Okay. I will split this. Yes. I will show by changing its color. I will show you by changing. See, this is my flange. Okay. Now I will connect both these surfaces. This surface and another surface by using multi-section. Select the first curve, second curve. This is my guide 1. This is guide 2. Okay. One surface is created in between these two. I'll join these three surfaces, this one and this one, and my outer surface, this one. Okay. Now I will change the rendering style so that you will come to know where are the sharp edges. These are the 4 sharp edges. I will delete this one, means give some small fillet so that my fillet will be smooth. Okay. I will create a tritangent fillet between these 3 surfaces. Okay. Select tritangent fillet, select the top surface, this bottom, and select the middle surface, this one. Okay. I will give tritangent fillet one more time. We will try, or else we will go for another method. No, not possible with the tritangent. We will go for normal edge fillet. This is my edge and another edge. Okay, sorry. In the same way, create another edge. Okay. Now my hem is, this part's hem is created. See, sorry, it is not visible now. If I give the thickness, it will show exactly. One more important concept here is corner relief. See, in this area, see how it looks like. If it is like this, fully covered, difficult to form, difficult to form the sheet metal here. See, we need a corner relief. If it is like this structure, see, it forms a wrinkles over here. To avoid the wrinkle, we use corner relief. Let's see how to create a corner relief. This is not a standard procedure, just I'm I'm checking. Okay, both sides we can increase by one more 6 mm. 7, 7. Okay, just to trim this, sorry, trim this curve with these 2 points. Okay, now I will select this plane and create a point here approximately. Okay, and this is my tangents. Okay, and geometry, this is important. Okay, select the support, this one. Do one thing, I will move this line, this point some extent, 20. In the same way we can create one more. Select this edge. Okay, I think these lines need to, okay, join these three, first curve, second curve, and third curve. Okay, now trim this. Something wrong. We'll try one more time to split this surface with this one. Invalid due to self-intersecting, it is showing. We'll do one thing, project this curve on the surface, direction normal. Okay, hide this curve. Okay, this is what corner relief. You need to create it in every corner. Okay, this is one corner, you need to create it every corner, in this corner, in this corner, in this corner, and slightly in this corner, and this is required more corner relief in this area, like this corner relief. Okay, just give the thickness so that you will come to know. Now I will show you how it is created. See, this is what we require, hemming operation. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for watching. I will create some more videos on this door part. Okay, next video we will see how to create the internal panel means internal sheet. Okay, okay guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.